Hello and welcome back to the second episode of the walkthrough video for the English Contemporary Villa Design. We are at the first floor. Today we look at the living space, which doubles up as an informal seating section for the family and also opens up to the 3 bedrooms. The first thing you notice as you climb up the stairs is the elegant simplicity of the stunning fireplace. The wooden fireplace is flanked by wonderfully designed bottle green storage shelving. Initially, we had designed the unit in dark grey. However, the current stunning piece has won many appraisers. The internal shelving is wood so that we could retain the retro feel. The wall in between the staircase and the living area has also been used up as a TV unit with basic white shelving and a grooving to create a back panel look. All in all, ended up utilizing an area to make it an informal family living space which could easily be enjoyed in the evenings by the family. The first room beside the landing is the master bedroom. This being the parents' room, we wanted to keep it classy and a little ethnic. The 2-poster bed with carving on the headboard brings in that feel. You will notice a white wooden panel at the back of the headboard. Since the headboard is heavy, we kept this panel simple yet classy. The wardrobe is a mix of silver and wooden finish. Just a simple groove in wood and a visible skirting makes it look beautiful and elegant. The other side of the wall, we have housed a bar unit along with a small chest of drawer and an armchair which was again refurbished from an existing collection. The ceiling is simple with a POP cornice running all around the edges and also creating a section where we could insert the lights to give it the required lighting. There is an uncanny resemblance between the 3D and the actual. Next, we move on to the younger daughter's room. The first image is a replica of the 3D and the actual. This gives you a glance as to how the real moves on to the actual transformation. The study table doubles up as a console and storage for all her knickknacks. It has ample storage, yet it keeps the aesthetic appeal. The bed is a simple leather padding in cream with storage niches around the bedside tables. The closet area is functional yet very modern. My favorite spot in this room has to be the canopy bed, which is housed inside the wooden battens, giving it a cozy feel. Moving on to the second bedroom that belongs to the elder daughter. At your first glance, you see a padded bed which has diamond studs around the padding to give it an extra bit of luxury. We continue the same appeal through the bed footboard which twines with the bedside in the molding and the paint. Here the window section of the room has been treated differently from the earlier room. The window has been blended in with the study. The woodwork here is classy. We bring in splashes of color and life through floral fabrics. The wardrobe is exclusive and has wooden moldings mingled with the mirrored shutters. This reflects the image of the beautiful study and also makes the room brighter and bigger. We even managed to slot in a dressing unit, which is simple chest of drawers with a framed mirror. As you will notice, in both the daughters' bedrooms, we have not gone with the conventional girly pinks and flowers. However, we stepped up the designs to give it a more mature, yet an extremely sober look. The guest room, which is in the ground floor, is a stark set-off from the earlier rooms. It has got tones of aqua and brings in the continental Spanish appeal. The texture around the bed is a dark blue color, reminding us of the Greek islands and its dark blue seas. The wardrobe was the challenge in this room. It has got iron carving grille that has been mounted on the PU painted wardrobe. The grille has been colored in the same royal blue shade so that it mixes easily with the blue coastal theme. The moldings on the shutters and the double molded skirting make these shutters a sheer piece of art. We wanted to create a cozy section, so we covered the window with blinds and built in a study area here. The study table is beautiful and European in its appeal. The long white legs and the painted drawers, along with the dark wood study counter, create a comfortable and appealing feel of being near the ocean. The print on the chair in the study is my personal favorite. At CB Design Studio, we want to give you peace of mind when you see a design, and to relax and sit back. When you walk into your home, you should get exactly what has been promised to you through our designs.
It was nice that we had CB Design with us for doing the work of interior designing. Everything was planned perfectly, done very nicely. Every small bit of it was appropriately managed and changed and done according to our taste.
Such that every person who walks into that house sees that you have put effort in every small bit of it.
If you enjoy our work, please motivate us to do better and to improve our skills, our designs, our execution, our projects, build more dream homes. Please do like and subscribe to our channel if you want to get further notifications of our videos coming up.